Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options, and USB debugging on Android or enable Web Inspector on iOS. Then connect the phone to your computer via USB or set up wireless debugging on the same Wi-Fi. Open the page or app you want to inspect on the phone and accept any trust prompts. This allows your desktop browser to see the device. Once done, launch Chrome DevTools or Safari Web Inspector and choose the connected device. This begins the inspection session. Once connected, select the phone under Remote Devices and open the Target tab. You can now enable element inspection and hover or tap to highlight nodes. Use touch emulation to reproduce taps and swipes, inspect computed styles, box model, and attached event listeners so you know why layout or behavior differs. Edit HTML and CSS live to test fixes, make small style changes, and refresh the phone to confirm. This iterative approach isolates root causes faster than guessing on-screen behavior. To finish, transfer any verified fixes into your codebase, clear caches on the phone, and reload to confirm results in a clean state. If the remote inspection drops or won't connect, toggle USB or wireless debugging, restart the browser and device, and reconnect. This resolves most handshake issues. Make a habit of capturing screenshots and network logs to document intermittent bugs. Finally, commit the working changes and test on multiple devices to ensure the problem is fully resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.